WP Engine is your hosting provider. You pay LaunchPress and we set you up with WP Engine. Go to my.wpengine.com and log in with your username and password. Once you get logged into my.wpengine.com, head over to Sites and then click on Rogue Power. Your website is under the LaunchPress umbrella, but once you're on this page, this shows you some stats, domain details, etc. Over here on the left, you'll see backup points. WP Engine makes backups of your website nightly, so that if ever you get in a bind, something blows up, you update a plugin and it goes haywire, you've got restore points for every single day. These are made nightly, so you can click on, this one was made 3 hours ago, and restore that backup. Make sure you do include the database, and then restore production backup will roll your website back 3 hours ago before whatever happened. You've got that for a day ago, 2 days ago, all the way going back a month. You can also download a backup, so that's what we're going to do now. I'll send this to you as well as myself. This will be a full backup, so download production backup zip. WP Engine is going to send you an email with a link to a zip file of your entire website backup. So you've got that, you can save it, you can keep it on your hard drive, no problem, but know that you have this safety net here. You can also back up now anytime you are going to do something, such as update a plugin, give someone access, whatever. Create a quick backup. If you know that within the next 24 hours you may need to restore, you've got that restore point for when you create the backup. Just name it whatever you'd like, create production backup, and then that'll give you a checkpoint to roll back to if something goes wrong. Of course, I'd be happy to take care of all of this stuff for you, but know that you do have access to it. I hope that helps. Thanks.